So this is our technical segment, lines of support and resistance for major pairs. It's the first week of Q2. So let's begin with euro-dollar. As we've seen, euro-dollar last week made a move to the upside. So our top line here is 109.05. It's followed by 108.70, which was the high back in December. You can see that line right here. Okay, followed by 108.30, which was the initial 2017 high. We crossed this line, of course. It's followed by 107.75, then 107.30, and we're currently at a lower range. We're seeing this 106.30, which was resistance back in March, now working as strong support. We're bouncing off that line and moving a bit to the upside. If we lose 106.30, I see support only at 105.20 and 104.90, that tight area. Okay, further below we have, of course, the 103.40, the 14-year low. Moving on to pound dollar, look at the lack of reaction to Brexit. So we did see some kind of a fall last week, but we never went too far. Lines that I'm eyeing now, 124.15, you can see that as immediate support, followed by 123.50, a stepping stone to the upside and the low back in February, 122.50 and 121. To the top side we have 125.70, and then stronger resistance 126.20, which was the highest level in about 2 months. Then further above 127 and the initial post-Brexit low of 127.90. Dollar yen, look at this stubborn 110 line. Of course, very round number over there. And what do you see here? Double or even triple bottom? Or are we seeing lower highs here? Anyway, in any case, 110, the 110 level is a very hard nut to crack. It seems that the pair is reluctant to fall below that. Maybe it's fear of BOJ intervention, either verbal or real intervention, to weaken the yen. Anyway, the current range is 110 to 111.60. 111.60 used to be that triple bottom, and it took the pair a long time to break that. Above that, we have 112.20, and then which was the post-break high, and then 113, 114, and 115.50. Below 110, we have 109.50. Okay, so that's dollar yen. Dollar CAD, Canadian dollar, very much also here in range. We see clear support here at 132.65, followed by 133.80, and resistance 134.60, an old line that remains relevant. Further resistance 135.35 and 136. Below 132.65 we have 131.80 and 130.80. Aussie dollar, our currency of the week, which we'll reach later on, is currently on the slide at 75.83, support there at 75.40 and 75, resistance 76.10, the old line 77 and 77.50. And Kiwi dollar, hugging the 70 level, which is not support, not resistance, currently a bit below the level, so 69.50 and 68.80 and 68.20 are lines of support. Resistance 70.40 and 70.90, which is even stronger resistance, followed by 71.25. Let's mention dollar Swiss just above the line of parity. Parity support, followed by 99.60, and then 98.90 and 98.20. Resistance 101, and then 101.70. Okay, so this concludes our segment for major pairs, the first week of Q1. All right, let's continue.